Good morning all of you. We are doing chapter 1 force and we have completed up to exercise number 1b. Today we will start from exercise number 1c, uniform circular motion. So what is uniform circular motion? The motion of an object along a circular path is called the circular motion. When a body moves along a circular path with a constant, that is uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. And how it is different from uniform linear motion. So uniform linear motion, the body moves along a straight line, whereas in case of uniform circular motion, the body moves along a circular path. Now point number 2, in linear motion, the direction does not changes. Point number 2, in uniform circular motion, the direction changes continuously. Point number 3, in uniform linear motion is this is not an accelerated motion, but in case of uniform circular motion, this is an accelerated motion. Now we will move to centripetal and centrifugal force. So what is centripetal force? Centripetal force is a force on an object directed to the center of the circular path that keeps the object on the path. Its value is based on three factors: the velocity of the object as it follows the circular path, the object's distance from the center of the path, and number 3, the mass of the object. Now some examples, and now the formula of centripetal force equals to mv square by r, where m equals to mass of the body, r equals to radius of the body, radius of the circular path, and v equals to constant speed. Now some examples of centripetal force: a person reeling a stone tying to a string. Now planets moves in their orbit around the sun due to the centripetal force due to gravitational attraction. Now we will move to centrifugal force. So what is centrifugal force? Centrifugal force, it is not a force but a tendency for an object to leave the circular path and fly off in a straight line. The magnitude of centrifugal force is equal to that of the centripetal force, and the centrifugal force is exerted by the revolving body on the body at the center. The centrifugal force is directed away from the center along the radius. The centrifugal force is directed away from the center along the radius. Centrifugal force is experienced by the hands. A bucket containing water can be swung fast in a vertical plane without letting the water fall. This is because the weight of the water at the bucket is balanced by the centrifugal force acting outwards. Now you will do the exercises at your home and practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.